Oh no. I come up to the garden and look at this. I'm hanging pretty low. My husband had mentioned something about trimming it last year. Uh-oh. We may have to be doing some serious work so I don't lose that whole branch. I wonder if we can just get all loaded up with some heavy-duty clothing and come out here. I don't know. I don't really want to lose that because not only will all this tear up the fencing, but that provides a lot of shade for me. And here in Oklahoma, it's hard to grow. I mean, you get too much sun and heat here. I grow a lot of stuff up under here, as you can tell. Oh, this isn't good. What the heck, Mother Nature? Come on. Great. Yeah. I swear. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna have to go talk to my husband and discuss what we're gonna do with these trees. This isn't good. I can't believe we're getting an ice storm. This is unreal. Alright guys, talk with you later. I sure don't need to lose all these cattle panels either.